Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, May 7th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Today is Friday, that means it's an async day. I will be available for any questions about your essay, any questions about anything, and also if you'd like some speaking practice, just have conversation. So from 10 to 11 a.m., I will be available on Zoom. Let's see what you have in async. You have two activities. The first activity is to read your first Spark article. If you haven't read a Spark article yet this week, here's your first Spark article, Enthusiasm and Attitude. Your second activity is a deliverable on sequencing. So you're going to watch this video about the coconut octopus, and then you'll read this article, and then you're going to make the steps. Right? You'll write a nice little paragraph about the steps of how the octopus makes a shelter from coconut shells. And then you submit. And that's it for today. Good luck.